Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, September 25th, 2025. I hope you're having a great day. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 easy steps to help you build your wealth plan. But before I get started, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. I've been involved in the work from home space for 19 years now. Been working full-time for myself since 2018. And it's my true passion to help other people generate mailbox money using social media and direct mail marketing. So, what are the 5 easy steps that you can take to build your wealth plan? The first one is goals. All right, you have to have both short-term and long-term goals. You have to decide exactly what those are and write them out. I suggest writing them out on paper somewhere that you can see them every single day so that you know exactly what you're aiming for. Right? What good is a goal if you don't know? I mean, you have to have something written out that you can see. At least for me, that's what works best for me. I have a calendar next to my desk, and I look at that every single day. And every month I go through it. At the beginning of the month, I write out things that I expect or goals that I have. And then at the end of it, I'll go and I'll analyze it to see what is, if I hit those goals or what I need to improve on, etc. Okay? So the first thing is goals. The second thing is numbers. All right, you want to track what you have coming in and what you have going out. All right, because most people live above their means. So they might have, say, $5,000 coming in every month, but they're spending $6,500. All right, you don't want to do that. Obviously, you don't want to live above your means because that means you're just going to be in debt. Okay, but what you want to do. Just had somebody pull out in front of me. Wow. Unreal how people drive. What you want to do is you want to live below your means, right? So what can you go through? Go through all of your expenses and see what you can cut out. Because I guarantee you can find lots of things that you can cut out. Instead of eating lunch out every day at work, brown bag it. All right? Instead of getting your coffee every morning before work, make coffee at home. Instead of, having 20 different Roku subscriptions, cut it down to your top 10. All right. I know for a fact at our house, we probably have, a half a dozen or so Roku subscriptions, and we really only watch 2 or 3 of them. Right? So there's all kinds of different things that you can, if you really analyze your budget and your expenses, there's always ways that you can, pull back what you're spending. All right, everybody can find an extra few bucks here and there. So that's, oh wow, what the hell was that? So that's the second thing. The third thing is you need a vehicle to drive your wealth building. All right, so you need something that you can set up that's going to automate your wealth building. So for some of you, it might be having money come out of your paycheck that goes towards your 401k plan or your health savings account or your, whatever it is. You might have money go into the stock market. You might have money come out and go into a high yield savings account. But you want something that's set up that you don't have to think about it. All right. So for my vehicle, I use Quicksilver. All right, I do have a 401k plan and I have some investments, but what I've been using lately and what I think is a really solid investment opportunity right now is silver. So my vehicle that I'm using right now, or that I talk about, is Quicksilver. And Quicksilver allows me to set up an auto wealth delivery, which basically means that every 30 days I have silver showing up at my door on autopilot. So I don't even have to think about it. I take a certain percent of my monthly income and I am putting it into silver. And that's helping me build wealth on autopilot. Because I don't have to think about, it just does it automatically, right? And I know that silver is a tangible asset. It has real value and it's just going to continue to go up in value. So I'm building wealth with real assets. On top of that, it's helping me grow my income because if you join as a wealth ambassador, you can earn up to 7 different ways. just by sharing the opportunity. So it's like, it's a double bonus, really, right? I'm growing my wealth on autopilot by getting silver delivered to me every month. And then I'm growing my income by sharing the opportunity with other people. So that is my vehicle. You need to have a vehicle that fits your lifestyle, something that resonates with you, that is going to help you build your wealth. All right. The fourth thing is accountability. You have to stay accountable and disciplined with your actions. So if you cut out not eating out for lunch every day at work, or not buying your cup of coffee every morning at work, you have to stay disciplined and not do that. Just cut it right out. You know, if that can save you, I don't know what a lunch out nowadays is, probably $15, right? If you're doing that 5 days a week, well, if you're getting a coffee and a lunch, it's probably $20, right? So if you do that and get your own food and make it at home and brew your own coffee, you know, you're probably saving $350 a month right there. $300 a month, you know? So you have to stay accountable, right? You build daily habits and get support so you actually stick to your plan, right? That's super important, staying accountable. And when it's just when you're by yourself, it's hard to do that sometimes. But you want to stay accountable and stay focused on what goals you have set for yourself. And the fifth thing is review. All right. So like I said, at the end of every month, I review everything. I'm a analytical person. So I love numbers. I know exactly where every single one of my pennies goes. Okay. But I review everything at the end of the month. And I evaluate what I did the previous month that's working to help grow my business, help grow my wealth, what's not working, and then I just adjust based on whatever it is, you know, the results that my review shows. But you want to check your progress often and adjust however it is necessary to keep moving forward. Okay? So those are the 5 steps to build your wealth plan. All right? 5 easy steps to build your wealth plan. And they work if you work them and if you stay consistent. Right? It's all about consistency and showing up every day, whether you want to or not. So that is it for this video. But if you're ready to add a vehicle like Quicksilver, there'll be a link down below this video. You can check it all out. Even get a free bar of silver delivered to your doorstep. You just pay a nominal shipping fee. And reach out to me if you have any questions. All right, I'm here to help you out. I'm here to help you get started. And I want you to have success as well. All right. So with that being said, if you found value in this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.